Alright guys, I want to film and I have brown smoky eyes on my mind. So I'm going to take this Smashbox Always On cream shadow in Barista, which is a brown. And you need a very small amount of this. Like, honestly, I don't see, unless you're using this every day, I can't imagine that somebody would really go through an entire one. So I'm just going to take this and apply it on my lids. And I literally did the smallest amount. This is what it blended out to. Like, it's intense. I need to work with this quickly because it does set really fast. And I forgot. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just start blending these edges out so that they don't set. You could leave it at this, but I am actually going to take the NARS Claudette palette, and I am going to start off by taking this shade in the middle, which looks very similar to that shade I applied on my lid, and I'm going to use it with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take this color and apply it in the crease. This is going to be my transition shade. This is literally identical to that cream shadow. Now I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in this palette. I'm going to use a flat brush to press this color onto the lid. Now you don't have to use a cream shadow. You can just use your primer, your concealer, whatever it is that you use to prime your eyes. And if you are someone that does not use primer, I'm going to tell you that anytime that you do a bold eye, whether it be smoky, bright, it's always best to use a primer because you're going to see the color payoff and the actual product perform to its best ability. In this case, I knew I had those Smashbox shadows, and I know that they wear incredibly long and well, so I wanted to put those to use. And again, you could have just done the cream shadow, that would have been enough, but I really wanted to use this palette to create a smoky eye. And this is a beautiful, these colors are really beautiful. They're just like purpley browns. And as you guys can see, we're going smoky. Considering that this brown feels really dry, it actually applies beautifully. I don't see any patchiness or fading. It's very pigmented. Final look.